Today we're gonna make pizza. So we need sauce, cheese, and pepperoni. So sauce, and you have to just put a little sauce. Already put all so something mix it everywhere. With the cheese. Big one. I already put it. Now it's time for the pepperoni. Already put one. Now it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Work on my pizza. Now it's time to cook it. So it's dangerous for kids. So I don't know who's gonna help me. Mommy's gonna help me. Now first. Smells good. Now it's time to taste. Already done. Now it's time to taste it. Good. Pizza's good. Yummy. Because if we put cheese, and then it will might melt. And if we put pepperoni, it will be super yummy. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!